In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys why your debit card is declined on Cash App. So the first thing you want to do to fix this is check your credit card information. So open up Cash App and go to the banking tab. Select your linked debit card and verify all the credit card details are correct. So this includes the number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Also ensure sufficient funds. So make sure to check your bank balance. Make sure you have enough money to cover the transaction. Then verify the card compatibility. Confirm that your card is actually supported by Cash App. This includes MasterCard, Visa, American Express, or Discover. Cash App does not support PayPal, ATM cards, or business debit cards. Then you want to update the Cash App. So go to your device's app store and then check for any available Cash App updates, then install the latest version. Also check for account restrictions. So ensure that your Cash App is fully verified. So review any notifications from Cash App regarding account limitations. Then examine the transaction limits. Be aware of Cash App's daily and weekly sending limits. If you've reached these limits, wait before attempting another transaction. You can also contact your bank, so call your bank's customer service and ask if there's any restrictions or holds on your debit card. Confirm the card hasn't expired or been deactivated. Lastly, you can also check your internet connection, so ensure that you have a stable internet or cellular data connection and avoid using public Wi-Fi for financial transactions. You can also attempt a smaller transaction, so add a smaller amount of cash into your Cash App balance. If successful, then you can gradually increase the amount in subsequent transactions. Lastly, if all else fails, you could reach out to Cash App customer support through their app, explain the issue, and ask for assistance in resolving the decline. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.